What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on this Tundra, and we're probably going to start off with the interior. I'm going to go ahead and take the seats out. That way I can have good access to the airbags. So when I take the seats out, I'll drop the headliner down and I'll have access to the airbags, and I'm going to be replacing them. The UPS truck should be here today, and I'm hoping that's the airbags for the Tundra. Let's get started. Alright guys, so my plan is to get this rear gun safe out because it is taking up a lot of space. So I'll probably just sell that separate. Same thing with this, whatever it's called. I don't even know what's it called, but I'll probably take that out too. I was looking online. A new one is about $1,700. So if I can get like $1,000 for it, I'll be happy. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is take this off and then move on to the front seats and remove them from the truck as well. Alright guys, the gun safe is out. It's fairly easy to disassemble. 2 bolts from the seat hold it right here, and then these go right here. Basically they hold the gun safe, so it's pretty easy. Alright, next I want to take out the rear seats because there is some glass from the rear glass being busted. So I'll take them out and I'll have to vacuum everything out. That way it's nice and clean. Alrighty guys, the seat is out. It's pretty easy to take it out. It holds on, I think, 6 or 7 bolts. It's just kind of heavy for one person, but I managed to do it somehow. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the front seats out. It's always a good idea to go ahead and put all the screws back where they came from. That way nothing gets lost. Now moving on to the drivers. Once again, all the bolts. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is take the headliner off. I'm going to start taking all these pieces off. That way I can drop it down and probably take it out of the truck. Alright guys, here's the headliner. It was fairly easy to take it off. Now I'm going to go ahead and start taking the old airbags off. Alright guys, both airbags are installed. I bought them from a local junkyard. The damage on those were $800 for both. They are pretty pricey, but I had no choice. Also, I went ahead and took the seat belts out. I thought just the driver's side was no good. Actually, the passenger side was blown as well. So now I can go ahead and assemble the headliner back together. Alright guys, the headliner is back installed. Everything looks perfect. I went ahead and left the rear panels out. That way when they're changing out the rear glass, it's going to make it easier on them. And I didn't install these panels as well because the seat belts are off. I have to send them out. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is remove the center console. The SRS module should be somewhere in the back or in the front. Let's go ahead and disassemble. Alright guys, finally got it out. This thing was actually a pain to get out. It was not that easy. Alright, so next step, I'm gonna take this thing out from the bed. I'm not sure what it's called, but we're getting it out of it. Alright guys, so we got a lot of progress done today. Changed the roof airbags, took the seat belts out, took the module out, and also took this piece that was in the bed. I'm not sure what it's called. I'm assuming it's for ATV or something. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. My goal is in the next video to have it up on the frame machine. I'm still ordering a few more little things on this truck. Once I have everything, I'll get it up on the frame machine and it'll be done in no time. And I'm really excited to get this thing fixed and back on the road. Be sure you stay tuned for all the episodes. So that's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.